Are you mine? Are you his? Are you mine? Or are you his? Honey, isn't this the house where Johnny lives? Isn't this the street he's living on? I walk you home and every day we go 3 blocks out of our way. I thought you said your love for him was gone. Well, if it's true, then why are we at Johnny's house? You told me you don't love him anymore. You hold my hand as we walk by, but from the corner of your eye I can see you staring at his door. Are you mine? Are you his? The question is tearing me apart. Is it just a long way home, or a shortcut to a broken heart? Tell me if you're mine or if you're Johnny's girl. Darling, I just gotta know what gives. Tell me that you love me, dear, and let's get far away from here, the house where Johnny lives. Tell me that you love me, dear, and let's get far away from here, the house where Johnny